Here's how to export databases from Notion, step by step. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the database you want to export. This can be a table, board, list, or calendar view. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Export. A pop-up window will appear. Choose the export format, HTML for viewing in a browser, Markdown and SVG for structured data, or PDF if available. For databases, selecting Markdown and CSV is best. Notion will export each entry as a folder with individual pages, and database itself is a SVG file. Once you've selected your format, click Export. Notion will begin generating a zip file. When it's ready, the download will automatically start. Unzip the file on your desktop, and your exported CSV file will be inside, ready to open in Excel, Google Sheets, or another tool. And that's how to export your Notion databases. Simple, flexible, and perfect for backup or migration. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.